Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see another tutorial of Redis and Laravel. So today we are going to see how we can do edit and set our key in Redis and delete that and update. So let's get started. So that's the task list we are working on. So I have added two buttons: action, edit and delete. So here you can see that's the DB we are using. So now let's go to edit. So here you can see I have created this page with the form. So here you can see title and description is there. So now let's see code level. So in web.php you can see edit, it's going to task controller edit function, and let's go. So let me first show you index. So here in index you can see I'm getting task list and setting that. So in store also you can see I'm setting dynamic key and getting data from dynamic id and sending that. So now in edit you can see I'm getting one parameter id, and with that I'm searching where task id and I'm getting the data and sending that to my view. So now this also we can do using Redis. So first let's get the task id from Redis and let's assign that to a variable, let's say task. And first we will be checking if this task is present. If data is present in cache, then we will send that only. Otherwise, if cache is not set for that particular id, then we will be fetching from db and sending. So now you can see first getting from Redis. If data is not present in Redis, then get it from db and send to our view. So now let's go and check our view. So view you can see I'm having one form, title you can see, and description as well, and I have submitted this using Ajax. So this one is going to update function. So in web.php you can see update. So here update you can see I'm getting title, description, and with where id I'm just updating that task data. So now here we will be applying Redis because we need to update our particular task id as well in Redis, that it's updated, and task list as well. So now first let's check if result is successful of update. Then we will be deleting the task id, particular task id, and set that key again with the data. So now let's change this get to delete. So here we are deleting this task id from cache only. And now let's again set this. So I'm just reusing the code only. So now after that, again we will be getting this task id, and let's hold that in a variable, let's say task data you can say. So now let's return this task data in response. So write return response, and inside that message will be task updated and status will be 200 only, and data we will be sending as task data. So now let's go and check in browser. So let's edit one row. So here write, let's Redis tutorial edit test edit as well. Now let's inspect. Now click on submit. There is one error. So it says attempt to read property id on int. Okay, so this result id I don't need, it's just id that we are getting. So now let's go and again check. So let's go back. So here you can see test, it's still same, but here if you will see title, it's edited, and description as well, but we have not set as like we set it list cache, so that's why it's not appearing here. So now let's again edit this. So let's say change this to edit tutorial. I can remove this tutorial first one. Now let's save. So now there is no error, and here it says 200 status. So let's go back and refresh. So here you can see cache is not set, so it's giving error. So now let's debug. So here when task is there in cache, then only fetch. So here you can see in update result I have set, but I need to set a task variable. So variable was wrong. So now let's go and again now let's edit this. So now let's write in description, let's say test edit in Laravel. Now let's submit. Let's go back and refresh. Now again let's edit. So again I'm getting error, so something we are missing. So here we are getting data from cache. So here JSON decode we are doing, and with there is edit function, yeah. With edit, we are not doing that. So let's write JSON code and let's change the variable task data and pass that in JSON code. So now let's again edit. So now page is loading, and here you can see now it's updated as well in description, tested it in Laravel. So now let's again write description with final. So now here list is not there, but you can see edit is updated. So now let's finally update our list as well. So we will be doing the same only. First we will be deleting complete task list, then again fetching the task list and setting the cache key. So now let's again edit one more, final anything 3 submit, and now refresh. So now you can see Redis edit tutorial is updated. So in cache you need to maintain your data. So let's say if anything is updated or newly inserted, then you make sure that your cache is also updated with that. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.